Hello educators. In this video, we'll take you through 3 Google Workspace apps that will help you streamline your communication, work schedule, and free up your time for what matters the most, your students. Let's start with Gmail. Suppose you want to share report cards or send fee payment reminders to parents. You can do this easily by sending out a professional email to all the parents with just a few clicks. Confirm parent-teacher conferences, send important updates, or even manage communication with colleagues at other schools, all through the familiar Gmail interface. Utilize labels, filters to stay on top of your inbox and save your precious time. Now let us make it easy for you to schedule your work routine. Calendar integrates seamlessly with your classroom tools. You can schedule parent-teacher conferences, staff meetings, or even individual student consultations with ease. Adding something to your calendar is quite simple. Let's suppose you want to schedule a one-to-one meeting with a parent. You can do it with Google Calendar and make sure that you do not forget it. All you have to do is open Google Calendar, click here, select a time slot, add a title to your meeting, and at the end, add an email ID of the person who will be joining the meeting. That's it. Now click Save. You can click on Send to send an invitations to all the members. So, it's this easy to use calendars to manage your schedule. Finally, let's leverage the power of real-time collaboration with Google Chat. Need to brainstorm lesson plans, discuss student progress, or manage a group project? Chat allows to connect with your colleagues and students instantly. Create dedicated spaces just like groups for specific projects, share resources, and keep everyone on the same page. That's it for today's video. But there are so many Google Workspace apps that you can use as teachers, admins, or any other professional in educational institutes. We'll explore them and show you how you can use them for simplifying your work processes and perform better. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.